Do you think the bull run is over? Or you think we're still on the way up? Where do you think we're on a super cycle, as Dan Hill would say?
It depends. Depends how far is zoomed in or out you go. I mean, I was talking with
Mm,
one of my clients yesterday, and he's like, "Oh, we saw a crash today," and I said, "Dude, it's $400. Just like calm it down a little bit. You look at the last
yeah,
10
it's nothing.
days. Are we still in a bull run? I like to think we're in a bit of a sideways movement now. I knew we would get to about 60K this year. I don't think anyone expected it to happen in April. That was just kind of pure
Hmm.
madness. A lot of my trading pot, not my accumulation hodl pot. I mean, I closed most of my longs around the 50K mark, which probably makes me look like a wuss. But I thought we'd get to the 60K mark maybe now, July time. And I think that would have been it still would have been pretty aggressive looking on the chart, but I don't think we would have pulled back as much. And, same as before, the education of, spot trading is boring and you need leverage in order to make money. That's for a lot of the cheaper money that went into the market saying, I need 10, 15, 50x in order to make my returns. Um, all of the 50% of that leverage disappeared in like 4 days when we saw that huge,
Yeah.
it was like three and a half, it was like what, like a 9,000 pound dollar candle in like a day or two. And it really hurt the market, hurt its image. A lot of people lost some money. People try to recoup by doubling down, try to catch the knife on the way down, as I call it, or diverse into even more volatile shit tokens. So that period of going really really high, really really quick, a lot of with all the alternate doges coming out, um, kind of did nothing. It kind of we tried to prop the bubble up by putting more stuff into it. Um, if we went up a bit slower and a bit more trendy, I think we would still be, in peak bull run. We've had a pullback now, and we're a little bit sideways. I don't think the bull run's over. I think we're just kind of pumping the brakes a little bit and taking some time. There's still plenty of money in the space moving around, and we can see that on chain. Our business has been busier than ever, both on ramping and off ramping, and that's not even the trading side. So I still think there's a lot of interest there. I think the people that were here in 2019 and 2020 are still accumulating. And I think if we get to a nice solid support and we get rid of the China FUD and someone deletes Elon's account, and we get a nice support that doesn't get broken again, then I think we can resume a bull run. But I think it's going to be a bit more of a safer one next time. I think it's going to be a bit more gradual and not as aggressive.
I would agree with you on that. My thinking is that over time, the volatility will decrease as the market matures and more money enters the market, and yeah, I think we'll have another bull run. I mean, if you zoom out, it's going to go up in the
Yeah.
long run. People are complaining about the drop, but it's still up, 3-4x.
I saw a report from, I think it was JP Morgan. It wasn't Goldman. No, it was a JP Morgan report. And they're saying basically that the volatility of the crypto market as a whole, not just Bitcoin, has actually been decreasing by, 15 to 20% since 2017 over certain